Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 9th, 2021. Take a look at my chart. We're going to talk about Virgin Galactic. SPCE is the ticker symbol. We're going to break back in and give you all an updated video from our prior video, which was done on June the 26th, where we told you all that we needed to wait to see how low the market in space is going to go. And you guys can tell, I think we hit that bottom, right? Over the last couple of, 6 trading days, the market in space have actually determined where it wanted to hold support. We're going to talk about that and give you all a prediction as to where we expect the price to go in the future so that we can capitalize and profit off the movement right before the market price gets there. So if you want to join our team, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. One of the things that we do here is we don't play around with the price, right? We need to make sure that everyone in our camp, everyone in our corner understands that price movement can go either direction. So if you're an emotional person, if you always expect stock prices to go higher, then I'm gonna be real, we're not for you. You need to go somewhere else and try to get your daily dose of excitement, of hype, of FUD, of FOMO, because for us, we try to get in position and dominate this stock market. So if you want to eat with us, join us, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel as well. So now let me tell you one reason as to why we're expecting the price in Virgin Galactic to go higher. Just take a look at what happened yesterday. I mean, the market closed up 17%, 17.25%, massive movement to the upside in Virgin Galactic. Cool. So what does it mean? It simply means that the market has demand, that there's a lot of interest in this particular stock. And then you know what? It really doesn't matter what the cause is. You know, you might have someone leave us a comment in the video and say it's because of some other type newsworthy event, but not understanding that that's not the cause. The cause is simply the market wants to buy this stock. That's it. And when people want to buy, price goes higher, right? Because the demand, the interest increasing. When interest increases, price follows along. It's just that simple. So let me show you all what happened into the market in space, and let's see if we're still holding the overall trend, right? So let's not get it twisted. This market in space has been in a very definitive uptrend, okay? And let's not, like, why in the world would the market price in space come in and keep that ascending line intact? We came barely and touched it yesterday in trading, just like we did here June 22nd, June 21st. The market hugged on that trend. We started it all the way back here though in May 24, 2021. This has been the trend that space has been going through. We're on that trend right now. And just yesterday we got that confirmation that people wanted to bounce price off of that trend. Okay, now again, take a look. We're not far from restriction though. Right there. So we can play, this is our play area right here. So let's not get it confused, let's not get it twisted. This is where majority of the market is looking for space to go. This is where the decision will be made. We've already received confirmation that the market is in agreement with holding this upward line. They are. So the next agenda would be to see if the market's going to get rejected at $57.50 once again. Because if we get more rejection at $57.50, we already know what to expect. We expect the price to go back down. We got prior history of that already occurring. So we're not going to be confused. Okay, this is how you're able to predict and get in position and get out the way when the price goes back down. We already know that we can expect that to happen. Okay, because we already got the history here in the background. Now let's look at the market on a 2-day time frame and Virgin. Now this looks even more bullish, right? It looks pretty bullish to where I'm seeing the market being prepared to break that $57.50 price level and try to make all-time highs. I'm probably one of the first ones to actually mention all-time highs in this space for Virgin Galactic, right? We got 9 hours and 55 minutes left. This is the 3-day time frame. It's even more powerful in terms of the bullishness into the market in Virgin Galactic. It's even better because the last two completed 3-day price bars, not inclusive of the last one, not this one, but the last two, there was a lot of selling going on in the market in Virgin. A lot. Look at the volume. It tells us. But for us to see this 3-day price bar right here to close on the high, that volume had no impact. Like whoever was in this space in Virgin the last 9 trading days literally bought up all of the selling that occurred the previous 2 3-day price bars. Massive indication right there. So again, that tells us everything we need to know of where the market is trying to go. So even in this situation on the 5-day, right, the market should have reacted on this last completed 5-day price bar going down, but we didn't. We saw the market instead close towards the high of the bar. So there's demand here in space. Just that simple, right? So we need to follow right along with what the trap is dropping for us, and we're going to play it. Even though we're trading around a very close area of restriction, we need to be in position and expect that, yeah, we can see the market come back down around 57.50, right? It might be a little bit lower than that, 55, okay? Be on guard. Be prepared for that to happen. That's about 4.81%, 57.50. That's going to be our first area TP, right there around 57.50. It might be a little bit less than that. But given the 2-day to 3-day time frame to 5-day, we can actually see the market trying to anticipate making all-time highs in Virgin Galactic. It's just that easy. Okay. Now again, our newest support area is going to be right there around $47. Okay, and preferably alongside this ascending line. Like our strength will be maintained into the market in Virgin so long as price does not break that upward line I got drawn on the chart. And it's just that easy. So we're in position. We're actually looking for the market in space to go higher. While everyone out there is going to give you their RSIs, their stochastics, their Bollinger Bands, their MACDs, they're going to try to spin some news to try to get you all excited to justify why price is going higher. You guys can tell we didn't give you any of that, and we're still playing the strength. It's very easy to see and understand. You need to learn this too. So join our community. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. And one thing I always say before I head out, make sure you maintain a profitability. Trade different. Peace.